Oh, just at the studio, about to set up. Got to swap out the car for the van, which is over there. Right, I've swapped the car over for the van. Time to finish loading the van. There's a lot already done in there, so let's get to it. So today is Monday 3rd of August, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be organising the van, making sure that's ready for Tokonatsu, the Japanese camping festival, which should be going to through the next week. Yeah, just get a few bits sorted around the studio, gate loaded in the van, and then head off to camping. Yay! So one of the activities they've got going on at Toko this year is trinkets. So I've decided to print off a few of my own. We've got some Fierce Panda trinkets I've printed off, some with Skin Pixel on and some with Toko. So I'll be trading those with all those lovely people down at the camping. And if you're heading down to Toko, come find me to grab one for yourself. No, he doesn't use a chin up. Tell that after it. You've got a car drop on.
No, I want to see that.
I don't work on the wheel. I'm not quite about it, so. Right. Unless you want to control it. Control the PlayStation.
But you want it.
So I can do like any sort of design, so if you've got any ideas, like. We also do repairs in case any of them are broken. Got a couple of designs I haven't shown at Toko before, including, where's it gone, there we go. So we've got the Fierce Panda Eternal Summer controller shell. I'll be selling at Toko as well. An exclusive design. We've got some new Sora designs for Kingdom Hearts. They aren't on the website yet, but they will be sold at Toko. Two-tone colours, we've got orange and black, purple and black, and if I can find it. Sorry, that is pink and black, and purple and black. As well as some new solo leveling designs. So they'll be for Xbox and PlayStation. So the wall display is looking pretty bare now. They're all packed up, ready to go. Can't forget my custom controls display. So I just need to unhook it from here. Then I'll find its box in a minute and it'll go in here. I found the box for this custom controller sign now, so let's get that packed in there. Might need two hands first. Nope. Perfect. And that shall travel with all the power. You gotta love a spontaneous nosebleed, haven't you? Yay! It's still going. I don't know if I can show this bit on YouTube. I guess I can do a take like that saying. So I've got a nosebleed, and it's not good. Well, it's not the worst nosebleed I've ever had, but it'll survive. Right, I'm gonna get that cleaned up and then we're gonna move on to the next bit. I've still got a bit of packing to do. I also want to build a couple more Toko controllers. We got this one to build, and I think I want to build a set of Joy Con. Yeah, so today is Monday. Hopefully this won't be an issue all week. Time is currently 12 PM. Is it PM in the afternoon? It is PM in the afternoon, isn't it? Yeah. So, yeah. Catch you in a sec. Dinner time! I'm just about to go get some food from the hole in the wall van. What's good today? What have we got?
No meat and taters left.
No meat and taters? What are you doing to me?
Last one, John Beef.
Guess I'll have, you got sausage and bacon? Oatcakes.
Okay,
I'll have one bacon, one sausage.
Sorry, yeah.
I'll have a Mars bar as well. Thanking you.
Not bad.
Oh, what have you had?
No, sauce roll, that's not bad.
Oh, yeah.
Not bad, that's sauce roll, but I'm fucking weird now, man.
Right, we've had some oatcakes, a bacon and cheese, and a sausage and cheese. Let's tuck in. Gotta have a bit of mayonnaise. Some Monster for energy. The oatcakes from the hole in the wall van are very delicious. Yeah, no meat and tater pies today though, which is very upsetting. I usually go for one of those. You can't beat a good oatcake though any day. And we've got a Mars bar for dessert. I'm going to finish my lunch and then we'll get back to some more packing and hopefully round to those controller builds before the end of the day. I've found a perfect little tub to drop in my trinkets. That's these things. Got some with Toko on, and got some with Skin Pixel on. So Trinkets at Toko, come find me if you want one. Well, we've just about managed to get most of the van with everything from the studio that's needed put in the van and packed up, ready to go Toko. We've got one controller built and we just need to build a couple more. So we've got a couple hours spare still. Time now is around 20 to 2. We're going to be building the PlayStation controller and we're going to be building a set of the Joy-Con as well. So these will be for sale at my stall on the Toko Mart, so come find me. I do have some shells as well if you want to take them away DIY, or even if you want to bring in your own controller. Right, so as we said, we've got the Xbox controller done. So that one is ready to go. I'm going to pop that one aside. We're going to do the PlayStation controller next. Catch up in a minute when it's done. Just built this PlayStation 1. So it's 2 out of 3 controllers built. How gorgeous does that look? Remember, these will be on sale at Toko Mart on a Saturday. If you're there, be sure to get yourself down, grab yourself a shell or a full controller. Now it's time to move on to the Joy-Cons. And same again, we'll just blast through this real quick. So for this build, we're actually going to do something a little bit interesting and add in TMR sticks. These are the Acmes Whole Pie TMR sticks, which you can get an upgrade off my website for your own set of Joy-Con 2. These ones come with white accent rings, which will just make that design pop. So let's get them installed. We've added black rails as well, we just need to slide under the board. That's all sitting nicely. Now let's screw everything back together. Let's make sure all those ribbon cables are attached. We don't want to be coming back into the Joy-Con after we've built them. That's one done. There's the second one. Time for the TMR stick. Otherwise you won't be able to control your character. And that's how it's looking so far. Right, that's the first Joy-Con complete. Now we've just got to repeat that a second time and then I can show you the end results. There you go guys, those are all complete and these will be on sale on Saturday at the Toko Mart. Currently around 10 to 3. Now it's time to put the last little bits in the van and then go run a few errands before relaxing for the evening. Well guys, the van's all packed up. I'll show you an image of it here in the back. It's pretty tight, pretty good at Tetris, so hopefully it sticks, doesn't shuffle around and gets there in one piece. Just heading up to Sal's now to just relax. I think mostly we're going to relax Tuesday. Did have a parcel which couldn't be diverted. We're supposed to come tomorrow anyway. We're going to have to make a quick trip out for that before travelling down on Wednesday. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. I'll perhaps get another sort of vlog style video in of the event and setting up the stall and stuff like that. Just a few bits and highlights. So until the next video, peace. Bye. Check this out. This is well and truly packed. Still a bit of space up there for some personal stuff we still need to put in. Just need to add Sal's stuff and we are ready to roll. So that'll be going down on Wednesday for us. Excited to see all you guys there.